have another C6Z baselining. Don't know what it's getting yet. It's probably some variation of a heads cam. It's already got a Ram on it, but I think that's it. So I would say 470, my guess.
Well, he just fucked me because my, 469 is my answer every time. Wow, that's low. I'm gonna go with 480. How's that?
Really?
If I knew it had a Ram, I probably wouldn't have picked 470 or 69 anyway. Yeah, I'm just saying you lost. Yeah, I'm saying. 'Karma got Kyle. That's what it is. He tried to dick me over on my, 469 guess that I always use, and he got it stuck to him. That's for sure.
If you don't do this and take off all the old gas material when you set the new one on there, it won't seal, and then you'll have head gasket leaks, which is what you do not want.
Ridiculous first pull. 637 and 548. It's stage 3 car, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Good ridiculous, but ridiculous. I mean, I don't know how much more it's going to pick up. Tune was a little lean up high, but other than that, it's got 21.5 degrees of timing in it. I don't know. We'll find out how much. I don't think it'll pick up much, if it picks up any. It may hit 640, but that's about it. Probably just going to fatten it up high, and that's about it. 642, 551 there, 553 on the pull before. Yeah, like I said, it won't make too much more. I'm kind of just fine-tuning it now, adding a little fuel up top still. I haven't touched timing. It still has the same amount of timing in it. Actually, a little less there, 21. That pull I had 21.5, I think, before. That's ridiculous for a stage 3 car, though. Did this thing baseline high? I don't remember what it baselined. Not that I don't even remember. I have no idea what it baselined. Change the signal on this thing. It's just how it reads the RPM for the dyno. It's just how it's getting the tach signal. Plug wire, coil wire, or whatever. Sometimes one works on one car and one works better on a different car. Like, we'll usually try the plug wire one first, but if it's a pain in the ass, then we'll put the coil wire on. Might be the highest stage 3 we've ever done. I mean, some stage 4s don't even make that. One of them cars. I mean, but it did make 490 baseline, so it picked up. It had Veram on it, though, I think, on baseline. So it picked up 155. You know, in the realm of where they pick up. It just happened to dyno high, so, or baseline high, so it dynoed good, I guess. But that might be the highest stage 3 car we've done. Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah. And I think they both baselined high. Like, we had a stage 4 car last week, I think only make like 630 something. But I think that was the car that baselined like 430 something when it came in here, or 440 or something. So that thing, you know, still picked up like 180 on a stage 4 or whatever the hell it picked up. And then this thing's picking up like 150 on a stage 3, which is about accurate. Yeah, it's sick. I don't know why or a reason behind it. It's just not every engine's the same, not every transmission's the same. I mean, it's just all different. You could have 10 bone stock cars and they're within 40 horsepower of each other, you know? Everyone thinks that like a stock car, just because it's like rated at 505, is all gonna dyno like exactly the same, and they don't. I mean, mileage plays a part in that. Like, a lot of things play a part in that. I mean, not all cars are the same.
New era stage 1 package for this ATS-V. So all that is new plugs, new intake, then catless downpipes, and a X-pipe delete.
Air fuel's like dead nuts perfect. Made 516, which is, I think, pretty good, especially on a first pull. I mean, it made 402 stock, so it picked up 115 horsepower. It's like a stage 1 kit. Just air intakes, downpipes, and a tune. Pretty same thing we've done to all of them. We've only done like 3 or 4 of them, but they're pretty fun. I mean, it's not something we normally do since it's a V6, but they're kind of neat. I don't actually mind doing them too much. going pretty good. Made 523 there. I don't have boost up there on the screen. I need to go add that, but let me... Makes like 18 pounds. This is pretty sick. I mean, literally for an air intake, downpipes, and a tune. .535, 519 there. That's probably where I'll leave it. I mean, that's up 130. These things are weird. Like, they have like some like limit thing on them that like you have to let them run for like a certain period of time before it'll like give full boost and like run all okay. Which on the baseline it made like 300 the first one, and then the second pull it made like 400 or something. And I remember I texted in the group or something, and after I said that, they were like, oh yeah, like that's why it did that the first time. So yeah, I don't know. I think it's just like 30 seconds or something, and then it's good. But that's probably where I'm gonna leave it. Made 535 and 520 basically. So picked up 130. I'm just gonna check how the trans shifts, and then I'm gonna call that done. Probably just do one more of them and then send her on down the road. I won't even shut the car off. Let it cool down for about 11 seconds. Yeah, the super cool is a daily. I mean, 530 to the tire, like, probably gets decent gas mileage because it's V6. Like, yeah, I don't know. I think these things are cool. I don't think I would own one just because, for one, I already have a V. But these things are, I think, half the price of a CTS V. So, you know, if you don't want to daily drive a V, especially considering Vs now are fucking 80 or 90 grand, depending on what you buy.
How much boost does it use?
I didn't have it on the screen. Like 18 pounds, I think. And 19 on the last run.
Yeah,
you're
almost
right,
20 pounds. 20 pounds. 20 horsepower difference.
Yeah, so my V baseline 556, but 602
Two
torque.
Yeah, I mean,
torque
it's a
is
V8,
there.
yeah.
These things are cool, man.
I mean, if it didn't sound like that, it'd be worth it.
I know. I really wish
I mean, it sounds like bearable until like you get up there and it's like, oh my god.
I really wish they didn't sound like that.
Yeah, I know.
Torque, yeah, picked up 130 horsepower and 100 foot-pounds of torque. They are definitely impressive.